What's up, social media world? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is back time to go car store racing for the RNS Rewind. Check that episode out. Coming in a few days, Thursday at 6:30. But I'm on film today with me and Fred and Aaron, a little behind the scenes of RNS. So be more of a on the way to Ace Speedway type thing, but gonna have some fun with it today. It's about 6 o'clock. It's 4.5 hours to Ace Speedway. So we about to get rolling. Going to stop and show y'all the new biscuit spot me and Fred are going to work the other day. And I got them cat heads. If you don't know what a cat head is, drop it in the comments below and I'll drop the definition for you. But a lot of people in the South love them cat heads. With all that said, let's get rolling. All right, hop up in Big White. We'll get it rolling. Watch a pretty sunrise somewhere on 85. We got us a half a tank of gas. That'll at least get us right inside South Carolina. As soon as Fred hops up in the truck, we ready to go. Traffic already this morning, Fred. We got a ton. Already got road rage this morning. What's this truck behind us done?
Somebody about like to hit us. That got slapped where he let that done.
Hell, you ready to get out of the damn truck and go to war at 6 o'clock in the morning. Hell, police in front of it. Damn traffic. Road rage averted. Time to do a little bit of that 85 on 85 to the new biscuit spot I told y'all about. Hopefully this rain will wash out. I was excited about seeing this pretty sunrise. There's still a sunrise over there somewhere, but looks like we're gonna get it washed out. But y'all know what to do. We about to grab a gear, get going. Omaha, North Carolina, here we come. Talking about a little bit of that 85 on 85. There's that pretty sunrise I was hoping we was gonna get to see and we was talking about. Hopefully this rain will wash out. We'll be able to get a little bit better view of it. Love to chase checker flags and sunrises. Here it is, we have made it. If you are traveling on I-85, exit 164. Right here, I think it's a BP station or something, ain't it, Fred?
BP.
Yep, BP station. They got them wrapped in that white paper. In tinfoil. You know that joker's gonna be good. Let's get in here and show you what I'm talking about. Had to be careful, old state trooper was sitting over there. Uh-oh, hello. Let's get into BP and we'll say hello. Here come the man with the plan. What'd you get?
Ham biscuit.
Ham biscuit. Got it in the little brown bag. Let's say don't tailgate back here. We got a little time.
They do this during the week.
Oh yeah, he don't get you no bag during the week, just on Friday when we ain't working. We might have missed a pretty sunrise over there. I'm telling you, that old sky would get painted red right there one of them days. Let's grab it. I got the sausage and gravy. That's like rolling back in Jackson County Elementary School all over again where you get drink with them cold blue Pepsis. You know biscuit gonna be good when it comes in a brown bag and the grease coming through.
I'd have to save that bag for hard times.
Yeah. Oh, you know that's a good biscuit when that cat head wrapped up in that paper there.
Yeah.
What'd you get on there? Egg?
Ham.
Ham? Just ham?
Ham.
City ham? Country ham? What kind of ham you get?
Well, I don't know.
Hell, you don't know either. Hell, this ain't damn.
See?
I had a couple pigs on there now. You keep eating that, you'll look like me.
Pig in the blanket.
You'll be, yeah, have stretch marks. Yeah, oatmeal cream pie. Even snacks got stretch marks. Hey, go take your big old bite. Get the cotton mouth. Y'all look at that golden brown right there. People talk about what's a cat head. I'm telling you, that's the weight of a man's heart there, at least in the South.
Put it in a brown paper bag.
Yeah, give it to the boss. You're going to get some brownie points on Monday. You'd be a Jerry Reed truck driving son of a gun, wouldn't you? What kind of truck would you drive if you want to? You want a flat nose. Cab over.
Cab over Peterbilt or long nose Peterbilt.
If most people won the lottery, hell, they'd buy a house. You'd buy
Peterbilt.
You'd buy them Peterbilt and a Zaxby's ice machine.
Yep.
You got your priorities right.
Yep.
Reckon there's any lot lizards over there? Hell, we'll stay out over there. Don't buy them no. But hell, don't go over there and look. Hell, my mama be all up your butt. Take another bite of your cat head. We'll get on down the road. Figure while we was here, man's real nice. Let us eat in the parking lot. Have a tailgate party. Might well fill big wide up. Put the regular in it. $3.49 out here on the East Coast. If you out there on the West Coast, tell me and Fred what it is while he finishes his ham biscuit up. Gas a little push water, a little bit more expensive out there on the West Coast. Parking lot party over with. 6161 took to fill the truck up. Let's head on to Omaha, North Carolina. Back at it, 85 and on 85. Me and Fred got to talking, listening to music. Fred, tell them a story about the time we come back racing Nashville Fairgrounds and you took them energy pills, whatever it was. You was up for like 40 straight hours.
Yep, I'm not sure. I can't remember. It was some kind of energy pill between two of them and a Mountain Dew.
You was legitly up almost 2 full days. You couldn't go to sleep.
It was.
You bought them at some rank truck stop at 2 o'clock in the morning. Did you buy them at the counter or did you buy them in the parking lot?
No, in the counter. In the store. It's called Jackass something or other.
you was up like a jackass.
Yeah, that's what it was, an energy pill. I wish I could find them again. I'm gonna stockpile them suckers.
We'll be racing at Nashville Fairgrounds in November is the plan. Take the big motor up there in the street stock. We'll look for it on the way back home. But anyway, on up 85. Y'all get out of the way. Friday morning traffic. They going to work. We go on the racetrack. Had to whoop off at a rest area quick. About 20 minutes out from the racetrack. What'd you say, Fred? Eyeballs was
Kidneys were floating.
I like to beat the time. We'd done knocked off 11 minutes. Then you had to pop a squat. Had to take a 10-100.
I told you to pull over earlier. I had to piss beside a pine tree. Hell, I ain't.
That thing just a little misdemeanor. It ain't big enough to be a felony.
I just hang it out the window next time. Piss in the floorboard.
With the crumbs.
Yeah. The crumbs is absorbed it.
Uh-oh, Fred. Look like we got one sitting backwards up here, waiting to get in. Got a wrong way driver. You know, the race don't start for another 10 hours.
He probably lives right there.
Oh, you getting him a little lunch, you reckon?
Yeah.
There he is. Speedway, Ultima Hall style.
Probably come out from right there.
Since 1956. Get on it. Hey, we actually here early for once. Every car behind us is a pickup truck turning in. We made it 20 minutes before the gate, so that's a first. Wasn't but 4 hours and 5 minutes to this racetrack. Family, pits, beer. I don't know, where's the beer? The line of dually pickups is long because there's still about 10 more minutes for it. What'd you say, Fred? If you live up here in North Carolina, you don't get drink Mountain Dew Mellow Yellow. What is it?
Sundrop.
That's it. Everybody walking in with a damn 12-pack of Sundrop. Dale Jr. knew what he was doing with that sponsor.
Yeah.
All right, Fred, we finally made it here. What do you think of this place? Think have a good street stock race here? They want the Star Tour here. Only problem is it's a Friday night play.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't get nobody up here.
Yeah, we try. I don't know if we will try. I ain't saying we're gonna do it. I just know that I've been called a couple times about it. But Bobby Mack's here. Deke McCaskill's at his daughter's graduation. So it's warm. His hoodie's about to come off. Full pits. I think it's 25 late model stocks and 20 pros. Should be a good day of racing.
I'm Rob Blount from Flow Racing, and this is our pit walk here. And what do you know? Already to my right, content expert extraordinaire. You know what? I'm just gonna put him in.
Trying to do the same thing. He's getting ready to go out for practice. They want to put a camera on his feet, so Fred's about to dive in there. Or this one's about to dive in there and try to put a camera on his feet. that boy, the 33's mama, she looked worried up there.
Yep. That was him just then.
Like my mama, when I
That
raced.
was him just then. Wasn't it? 33.
That make him cold Pepsi's in two. No.
Nope.
It's over my shoulder.
Well, we made it back. What a great time we had at the Speedway. Me and Fred and Aaron made it back to Jefferson, safe and sound. So we're going to spend today, which is Saturday, working on Bittersweet, getting it ready. Playing what Bittersweet is. I know I hadn't updated y'all on the video side, just the social media side. Our next race will be June 8th, my birthday, turning 36 years old at Hickory Speedway. So we got a few weeks, get the carburetor right, get everything fixed. We had some fuel problem pickups when we went to Anderson, but hopefully we'll get that figured out. We've got it figured out. Gonna go test at Anderson in a couple weeks. When we get a little downtime, check out these pictures, man. Real glad to do the Mike Love throwback. He's a local legend out of Pendergrass, Georgia. I used to watch him race at Lanier Speedway when I was a kid. I used to jump on the trampoline and he would come by on an open trailer. So I know we changed the paint scheme a lot, but like I said before, man, we never know when this deal is gonna end, but it's gonna be orange like this for the next couple of years. So we getting some t-shirts made. So hopefully we'll be able to sell move some merchandise and help pay for racing. The Star Tour shirts are literally flying off the shelves, if you will. So we got just a few left, trying to get the online store up now. But that's the update on Bittersweet. Looking forward to hopping back in the seat on my birthday at Hickory Speedway, where we've had many second place finishes looking for that win. So Bobby Mack's gonna come and spot for me. So there'll be plenty of good content coming there again. That is June 8th. That is basically the only open date we have in between Cars Tour races and Star Tour dates. But thank y'all for watching. It was a good time trying to do some stuff when we do the RNS rewinds, which come out every Thursday after a Cars Tour race at 6:30 p.m. on Thursday nights on the same Kicking Asphalt channel. But wanted to keep the Fred content coming and Aaron content and Mama Judy. I know she wasn't in this one, but try to keep our family stuff going because that's what y'all love. And we greatly appreciate it. But other than that, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. You know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.